Still, we are also continuing looking for now expression for tan about the triple angles. So we are looking for tan of 3a. And look at tan 3a. Tan 3a comes from tan into 2a plus a. So recall tan into a plus b, we are getting tan a plus tan b all over 1 minus tan a tan b. So we are now looking at tan into 2a plus a. It's going to become what? Tan 2a plus tan a all over 1 minus tan 2a tan a. Also, tan 2a, we proved it from behind, was 2 tan a all over 1 minus tan squared a. So we are going to substitute in that. Tan becomes tan 3a equals, where I see a 2a, I'm going to bring this identity. I say this is 2 tan a all over 1 minus tan squared a plus tan a all over 1 minus, where you see tan 2a, we are saying a 2 tan a out of 1 minus tan squared a, then tan a. So can we proceed? We proceed by getting the LCM. What is the LCM up? Is 1 minus tan squared a. 1 minus tan squared a divided by 1 minus tan squared a, you get 1. 1 times 2 tan a, you are getting 2 tan a plus, this is like out of 1. 1 minus tan squared a divided by 1, we are getting 1 minus tan squared a times tan a. It becomes plus tan a into 1 minus the tan squared a all over what is the LCM again here? 1 minus tan squared a. This is like out of 1. The whole of this one divided by 1, we are getting 1 minus tan squared a times 1. We are getting 1 minus tan squared a minus the whole of this one divided by this, we are getting 1 times that, you are getting 2 tan squared a. Tan a times a is a tan squared a. So we move on. Tan 3a equals, we are having 2 tan a plus tan a into 1 minus tan squared a out of 1 minus tan squared a divided by the whole of that one. These ones are the same. You can say 1 minus 3 tan squared a, 1 minus 3 tan squared a out of 1 minus tan squared a out of 1 minus that. So when we are dividing, we are free now to take the reciprocal. So as we open, this becomes 2 tan a plus, push in a tan a plus tan a minus a tan cubed a all over 1 minus a tan squared a times, take the reciprocal, comes 1 minus tan squared a all over 1 minus 3 tan squared a. We move on. This and this automatically goes. So we are remaining with tan 3a equals 2 tan a plus tan a. We are getting 3 tan a minus a tan cubed a all over 1 minus 3 tan squared a, as this is another identity of tan 3a. And if they ask you to prove it, that is the way how we do that number. They are all about practicing, following the identities, following what is done from the compound.